Hello, English learners! Have you ever watched a talent show and been captivated by one performer, someone who just had something special? Today, we will learn about an English idiom that describes that feeling: steal the show. Understanding this idiom will help you better understand and communicate in English, making your conversations more natural. Imagine a student, Emily, new to the United States. She hears her teacher say, "The guest speaker really stole the show today." Emily's eyes widen. She whispers, "Stole? Did someone take the show away?" Her friend giggles, "No. It means she was amazing." This mix-up shows how literal interpretations can be misleading. To steal the show means to get the most attention and praise, usually in a performance, by being more impressive than anyone else. It is a figurative expression, meaning it doesn't involve actual theft. Its origin is believed to come from the theater world. Imagine a play where a supporting actor gives such a stunning performance that they become the highlight of the evening. They metaphorically steal the audience's attention from the main stars, capturing everyone's focus with their talent. At the school's talent show, a young boy named Kevin, who played the drums, completely stole the show. His energy was infectious, his drumming fantastic, and the audience couldn't take their eyes off him. Everyone agreed Kevin stole the show. Kevin stole the show with his drumming, meaning he got everyone's attention. His performance stole the show, indicating it was the most impressive part of the event. Everyone said he stole the show, confirming they all agreed he was the best. Here are some example sentences to help you understand this idiom even better. First, the young musicians stole the show at the music festival. This means they were the most outstanding performer. Next, it was the Chinese swimmers who stole the show on the first day of competition. This means they were the most impressive athletes. Finally, she stole the show with her outstanding performance. Her performance was exceptionally good. To help you remember, imagine a spotlight shining on a performer who is so amazing that they grab the spotlight from everyone else. You can also use this mnemonic. SDS for steal the show equals super talented star. Remember Kevin from the talent show? He was like a super talented star who grabbed everyone's attention. The phrase steal the show likely originated in the theater, where a supporting actor's performance would overshadow the lead. It reflects the cultural admiration for exceptional talent and captivating performances, celebrating those who truly shine. There are no significant regional variations of this idiom in American English, making it widely understood. In Flying Down to Rio, Ginger Rogers and Fred Astaire famously stole the show, leading to their own successful series of films. The idiom's usage has broadened to describe any situation where someone unexpectedly becomes the center of attention due to their talents. Let's explore some related sayings that can help you further understand steal the show. Similar idioms include steal someone's thunder, which means to take credit for someone else's work. Be the center of attention means to be the focus of everyone's notice, and grab the spotlight means to get a lot of attention. Opposite idioms include fade into the background, meaning to not attract attention. Be overshadowed means to be less noticeable because someone else is more impressive, and be overlooked means to be missed. Related idioms include have all eyes on one, own the stage, and be in the spotlight, all emphasizing being the focus of attention. Now, let's look at some common mistakes and how to avoid them when using steal the show. A common grammatical mistake is incorrect tense usage. For example, saying he will steals the show is incorrect. The correct usage is he will steal the show. Remember to use the correct verb tense. A frequent misunderstanding is thinking it involves actual theft, like believing someone physically took the show away. Remember, it means someone gave a great performance. Our memory aid, super talented star, helps clarify this. Finally, avoid using steal the show in a negative situation where drawing attention is undesirable, such as describing someone who disrupted a serious event. Always use it in positive context to praise someone's exceptional performance or talent. Let's test your understanding with a quick quiz question. What does steal the show mean? Choice A, to literally take something from a show. Choice B, to be the most popular or impressive part of an event. Choice C, to ruin a performance. The correct answer is B, to be the most popular or impressive part of an event. Today, we learned that steal the show means to be the most impressive and get the most attention at an event. It's a great way to praise someone's amazing talent and performance, making your English sound more natural. Understanding this idiom will help you understand conversations better and improve your communication skills. Have you ever seen someone steal the show? Tell us about it in the comments. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and follow. See you next time.